Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making garlic battered shrimp. To begin, put your shrimps in the basin and make sure you clean very well. You can cut the legs and remove the intestines from the back of the shrimp. This step is very crucial because you want to eat clean shrimps. Yeah, just checking. That looks very clean. Finally dice about 8 garlic and to your liking. Add about 100 grams of butter into the pan. Then you can add your finely diced garlic into the pan. Saute very well until the flavors start coming out. Then you can add your shrimp into the pan. Saute very well until it turns pink. At this point, you can add your black pepper. Saute it for about 1 minute. Then you can set it aside. In the same pan, you add 50 grams of butter and your garlic, oyster sauce. Saute it very well. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Stir it, then you can add your shrimps. Make sure you serve the juices because they will be handy for flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. That's optional. All-purpose seasoning for flavor and salt. Saute it, then you can add your juices that you served back into the pan. Let it simmer for about 30 seconds. Add your lemon juice. You can squeeze at least 1 lemon juice into the pan. That's it, all looking lovely and juicy. And I promise you, this recipe is delicious. You'd want to make it over and over again. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already subscribed. Like and share the video, and please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Bye. Enjoy.